So welcome back to the channel, BMF Speed Shop. So I got a new project and thought I'd give you guys an update to show you what I've been working on. It took me about, I don't know, 100 hours or so to turn this thing around, but it's a 1973 Jeep Commando. They call it the Bullnose. And we got this one in. It's pretty rusty, so we had to do a bunch of rust work. We put new rockers on here, and then this whole area of the Jeep was pretty much gone on both sides. So a lot of fabrication work on here. And I wanted to do something a little different. Instead of showing you guys all the crappy vehicles, I wanted to show you what it looked like when they get done. So this one didn't turn out perfect, but we had to replace pretty much all the metal in here. Sorry, the thing's a little tricky there. Yeah, new wheel tubs. All this is all new. I'll show it to you. All new steel. I also had to build a whole new underbody support system for this whole thing, and then the roll pan. And it's not perfect. I'm not a professional, but it's solid. This Jeep wasn't even attached to the frame anymore when it came in, so I think it turned out pretty decent. We did a 70s tri-stripe on there, graphic. Something I always wanted to do. It didn't turn out very good, but it's the first time I ever did anything like that, so yeah, this is a driver, so it's not a show truck. It's not a show vehicle, but it does look good enough, I think, that you could take it out, right? Good going to town rig. What do you guys think and how it turned out? Comment, subscribe. I tried to keep the originality of it. And then after I got done, I mean, this thing had a lot of rust that I wasn't able to fix, right? It's a Wisconsin Jeep. And these things, I don't know what it is about Jeeps. Man, do they like to rust. I can't get the hood open with one. But yeah, 304 V8, four-wheel drive, automatic. But there was rust all over in here. Like I said, I couldn't fix it, so I just went in here with the fluid film and fluid filmed every square inch of this baby. So whatever rust I couldn't fix is not going to get any worse. Painted the grill white. I thought that looked really nice with the white top and the white wheels, and then the white, I put the white on the bottom just to tie it all together. I think it turned out pretty good all together, materials wise. $1,436 to bring this thing back materials wise. Now that's not counting my labor. That's, like I said, I put about 100 hours into it, so that's a different thing. But for $1,500, this thing took a rusted out Jeep and put her back on the road. Saved another one. So if you're into this kind of thing, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.